The Independent Commission of Investigations is probing the fatal shooting of 4 unidentified males. They were killed during an alleged confrontation with the police along the Linstead bypass in St. Catherine yesterday. The Constabulary Communication Network says the incident occurred about 9:30 p.m. 2 firearms, a revolver and a 9mm pistol were reportedly seized. The Inspectorate and Professional Standards Oversight Bureau is also investigating the shooting. Our news center understands that the men had committed a murder in Guys Hill when they encountered a police team at the intersection of the Linstead bypass and the Rose Hall main road. There was an exchange of gunfire and the men were killed. A policeman was shot, but his vest stopped the bullet from causing injury.
To other news now, reggae superstar Buju Banton and the Transport Minister Darrell Vaz are at odds this evening after reports emerged that barrels of relief items he sent to Jamaica were allegedly tampered with. Transport Minister Darrell Vaz is pushing back, insisting a full investigation found no evidence. We have the details in this report.
The controversy erupted after the Grammy Award-winning reggae artist Buju Banton took to social media on Wednesday, where he complained that some of the supplies he sent for victims of Hurricane Melissa were stolen at the ports. He posted this photo of what appeared to be a half-empty relief barrel. He said the situation broke his heart and that too many crooks were operating at the ports.
Them come on a cargo plane, Dun's Head, right? And thieving brother and thieving family over the work at the airport. You don't understand. So when things are do things on them hard, you think up. One thing up here though. We're working hard and we're trying to do things to the country and we don't get the cargo come. Right? First and foremost, take forever for you with the cargo. Right? And when the cargo come out and we start looking to the cargo, Starlink missing, stove missing, all kind of missing, and the barrel them half empty. See, nothing never happened to Kingston. There's no reason for nobody at Kingston for your teeth, nothing from the people of Jamaica.
Transport Minister Darrell Vaz has been at the forefront.
I want to publicly state today, without fear of contradiction, that I did an overnight investigation, including cameras and including the custom broker who handled the shipment. And I want to make it very clear that the shipment left the airport intact as it came, fully wrapped, and everything that was there left the airport in the custody of the charitable organization.
Mr. Vaz provided these images of the shipment in question, as well as the itemized list of the goods. He insists the items were not taken to any room or off-site location. It went straight from the plane on the tarmac to the receiving truck sent for the goods.
It went to a warehouse in Spanish Town, which the government has no involvement in whatsoever. So as far as what we did in terms of making sure that the goods that were meant for the people, the poor suffering people, were delivered. And I want to thank all of the airport staff that continue to work so tirelessly under the worst strain and pressure to make sure that we manage all of these cargo flights in a smooth and efficient manner.
Mr. Vaz went further.
I'm going to ask for everybody to please just do what you are doing and do so in the best interest of the people of Jamaica, and do not cause mischief or nuisance, because I will be there to defend the government as long as it is on the seaside or the port side. Absolute rubbish was posted, and I say so without fear of contradiction.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.
In the meantime, in a strongly worded Instagram post, Buju Banton has further accused Minister Vaz of being unaware of the true circumstances surrounding the offloading and handling of this shipment, and he insisted that the items were indeed taken. The artist said the goods were not transferred directly from the aircraft to his team's trucks, but instead to an area they had no sight of. He said his team waited more than 7 hours on the first day for customs clearance and loading and faced delays again on the second day, though the process was slightly faster. He accused Mr. Vaz of trying to politicize the issue, stressing that the relief mission was about helping Jamaicans, not about politics. He further stated that the packages on the flight for People's National Party members of Parliament were donated and placed there by various Florida commissioners and donors. He noted that he allowed them the space on the plane as this is about Jamaica, not PNP or JLP, as all are suffering. His experience reflected a broken system, he said, lacking accountability and transparency, and he noted that others had faced similar challenges when sending aid.